Is that close? You're not coming out. I'll get this thing. Nice. Just give me one. Yeah, check this thing. Yeah. That, should I just DM it to you? He's pushing me. And it's cold! Fuck up, bro. I'm coming out. Coming. Nice. Is he? What on? Recording?
Yep. Oh, kid come down. Never mind. Twice dead. Nice. Tommy kid's over here. I'm about to have a shot on him. Should I shoot?
Yeah.
3-4 times dead. Headshot dead.
Nice.
Yep. One dead. You with me?
Yeah, I'm right next to you.
Yep. And go and push up to TC. So I killed one. Whichever baldy. Push around right. Actually, I've got. Wait, no.
He's-
How do you...
Once, twice.
3 times dead.
Nice. Yep, nice.
I'm up. Take these. I'm going around here, obviously. Shoot him, bro.
They're gonna be back soon.
So I'm
Just
looting.
try looting dip. They're just falling back a bit.
I'm going now, let's go. Oh, 2 Tommies.
Let's go.
So good.
Good shit.
Get on the roof up
Is it
there.
ready?
One, twice. Tommy kid on me. I'm dead.
As well, right?
Right.
60 of our drive to get the mini, but this guy's watching my dog. They're working money up post now, I think. Let's go fuck them up. Free full kit. I think their stuff. Was it? I'm big brain. Nice, run. Okay, I'm coming. I hear him. Record that. He can't see out. Nice. Open. Doors open. Doors open. Drop me deep. Dead. Got custom. Shit ton of mids. Running out. Whoa! He tried rocking me. They must have lost their bolt team. I'll kill him. Dead. The mini's fine. The mini's fine.
Come on, you just threw away a free base.
He's gonna think we ran. Shot there. Once, twice. Is he dead? He's dead, he's dead. Dead. Is he dead? I got a lot, it dropped. I can't. I got like a line of guns. Yeah, I can chuck him through the window. Here. I'm gonna keep Python. And here. Oh wait, Tommy. Fuck. Here. And here. Go. Hide. Don't die. Wow, I was pushing with you. Yeah, shotty. Nice. I'm gonna win it. Watch me. Watch roof. They're coming back in mini. It's them. I need south.